Oh wow.
Right there.
Oh wow, yeah, still going.
Going that way.
That way into the cloud.
Hoping to go to this side.
Yeah, that clear spot right there.
I hope it will go to this side.
Oh yeah.
That way.
Hmm.
Oh, right there.
Oh, wow.
But no clouds coming. Back again, but disappear.
Right there, right there.
Little bit more.
That's probably the last time we're gonna see it. There we
A
go.
big cloud there.
Yeah. That's the last time we're gonna see it there. Unless if we look down here. Oh. I see it. It's almost gone. A little speck. Yeah, it's gone. I saw it went to a cloud. There you go. Oh, Jupiter's up. Jupiter is up there. That's Jupiter. Oh, like directly like overhead. Then we have this sunset going on. And there we go.